This is our basic setup for indoor soccer. We do regular indoor soccer where we have small sided games going on, probably 3 or 4 kids per side. We'll do Siamese soccer, which there'll be like a 3-legged race soccer basically. We'll do scooter soccer. So we'll probably do 2 days of the small sided games, 1 day of Siamese soccer and the other day of scooter soccer. Now we use these bands right here. We just put them around the kids' thighs and that tells what team they're on. And so we have the same setup on this side. Curtains drop down to divide the gym. One of our rules for soccer is that a goal cannot be scored unless there's a pass. And that has really made our games much better. The teamwork, so even if a student maybe grabs the ball, gets a breakaway and a free shot, if it scores, it doesn't count because you have to have a pass. So kids are really good about staying spread out in their triangles and passing back and forth because they know that's what it takes in order to be able to get a score. Again, in our games, we score, we celebrate a score, but we don't keep scoring, and the kids are fine with that, and it just works better for our class. So this is our basic setup, again, for indoor soccer. Doesn't matter what kind of soccer we play, that's what we're using. Again, we use these bands to tell what team we're on. Also, when we go to almost like the 3-legged race soccer, we use those to keep our legs tied together. And then when that happens, we'll probably use jerseys to identify people. So this, again, is our setup.